A robot sweeper is an automated cleaning device. It is designed to sweep, vacuum, and mop floors with little or no human effort. It uses sensors and smart navigation systems to move around your home, clean surfaces, and avoid obstacles. It is quieter than regular vacuums. It cleans automatically, freeing up your time for other tasks. A robot sweeper picks up dust, crumbs, hair, and dirt from hard floors and low carpets. It mops floors using a water tank and a microfiber cloth. It moves around rooms independently, sometimes mapping them for efficient cleaning. It returns to its charging dock when the battery is low. A robot sweeper can be programmed to clean at set times daily or weekly. It is controlled via smartphone apps or voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. It uses sensors to avoid bumping into furniture and falling downstairs. It can't clean stairs or high shelves, it only works on flat surfaces.